Hey guys, it's Gwen today, and this is my first video, and I'm very scared because I'm not really good at makeup, but so this morning I woke up, I was like, I want to be unicorny today, so I got this unicorn shirt on, dress, and I was like, I should maybe do some makeup with it, and I'm not, I put up my hair in a ponytail, so only part of it, so it won't get in my face. Just saying, guys. And now, so first, I want to brighten things up and use the disc eyeshadow crayon. So I'm just gonna put it here, down here, on my forehead. Comment down below if you're like me and you're not really good at makeup. And I'm gonna get a beauty blender. Right? Crap. Where is it? Oh. And I also got a mirror. Now I'm gonna blend it in. Oh, too close. And all for you girls that are younger like me. Try your hardest, keep on trying, and you'll get better. And that's all I have to say, because I'm really bad at the eyeliner, and I've said that a few times, but you'll see later on in the video. But I just keep on trying and just believe in yourself. And tell me in the comments if you like how the video is going, because I've really never made a I've never really made a YouTube channel before, so please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And tell me if you're really into unicorns too, because I know I am. And I'm done with that. The eyeshadow crayons. I don't even know what this is on the back, but done with that, and let's do some of the blush. First, I'm going for a poppy look, so I'm gonna go with the pop of light, and see how it's gonna go. So, tell me if you're really good at makeup, because I've been trying it sometimes, and I've been doing good. My family say I do good, but I don't know. And you can light up your nose a little if you would like, and yeah. And I've seen people do makeup videos, and they really inspire me to do more makeup. And I got most of this makeup from my sister, and I'm really glad. And yeah, now I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, sorry. And I'm doing this is the one I was just using. So I'll put that away, and then we're on to the, can't pronounce it, Pro Glow. It's something that is Pro Glow, and I'm just getting a little brush. Yeah, and I'm gonna go with the Fire because it has a little gold. So and I'm just looking into my mirror right there, and this is actually my mom's bathroom, because my dad said, oh, do it in here because it has great lighting. So I was like, okay, thanks. That was just my other mirror. Okay, so yeah. And And oh yeah, yesterday my mom did my nails, like unicorny, so I'm like, thank you. And light up my nose. And yeah, then there you go, just to see it again. I'm so scared. Okay, now we're gonna go into the Shine Bright eyeshadow palette, 10 colors. I was like, this is bright, so I can probably use it. If this will come out. Okay, so I'm gonna go with well, probably most of these colors. I don't know. And I'm gonna make it like a line here. So, yeah. Let me get my mirror back up so I can look at myself. Sorry, guys. Okay, that just almost failed. So. Blended. Get off. I'm gonna get that same brush and just wipe off. That kind of worked. Okay. And the same thing to the other eye, the purple. And I'm gonna speed it up and you can see the final result. Okay guys, I'm back and look at my eyes. Okay, yes. I love them, actually. I didn't know they were actually going to turn out this well. So now, okay, yeah. Now I'm going to go with the mascara. You guys can see that. Oh. Try to get your bottom lashes too. Okay, got the mascara. Yeah, mascara on. Yeah, some glitters down here I'm trying to get, but it's fine. It's actually a unicorn look, so boom. Unicorn look. Done. Oh, I'm actually not done yet. Okay, guys. Onto the lips. So, it's, well, this is, it can be used for lips and eyes, and you see it's already been used. Yeah, my brother did a makeup, and I'm probably gonna do the purple one, orange and green. So yes, and I'm just gonna use my hand because this comes off easily, so I'm gonna do the, yeah. That was actually very easy. Okay, didn't know it was gonna be that easy. I wanna try to inspire little girls for doing makeup videos. I know they might not be that good as professional makeup people do, but just try your hardest. And I'm not saying I'm a professional. Done with the lipstick, I'll show you guys in just a sec. I just got these two. They're like cotton rounds. Okay, you just on my lips, but I'm just gonna wipe off because some went off my lips, so I'm just gonna wipe that off. And guys, something that was funny last night is just we were like up until 9, something like that, and it's a school day, but I finished my homework. Last night my brother had a bloody nose. It just came out of nowhere, and we were like all laughing. My brother was like, and we were talking about these cotton rounds, and yeah, and then okay, that was weird. I just heard banging. It's probably my siblings. Oh, and guys, I have one mom, one dad, and 2 siblings. One's a boy and one's a girl. And there's these podcasts my sister's doing, and they're on Spotify. I hope this makes a difference, and you guys should check that out. And it really helps. I really haven't heard any, but I've heard well, I actually kind of heard them, but yes. Oh, my lips. Yes, this is in COVID. I don't have my watch. It's it's May something. No, it's May 4th. And may the 4th be with you. Okay, sorry. Okay, that was just weird. Yeah, it's May 4th, 2020. If you guys didn't know. Sorry. And this is how my lips look. Purple, orange, and then green here. I hope you guys like it. And then purple, green, and then pink here. I did those same on both of my eyes. I don't think I will do the mascara or eyeliner. Just gonna try. Nope. God, guys, look at that. I don't really think so, but I'm just gonna keep on trying. Try until you get better. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So I'm gonna try to do that again. But if I can't do it, I'm not doing this, guys. But I'm gonna try. Okay. This is kind of good. Try to do the other eye. I kind of like this better, guys. So, yeah, I messed up on that one a lot. Okay, I'm just not gonna do it. Sorry, guys. I can't do it, like, literally. And I hope you like my makeup, because this is going for a unicorn look if you forgot. And I think this is really unicorny. So I'm actually really happy how it turned out. So hope you guys like your makeup too. And oh yes, now I can put it on my hair. Ow. Sorry. Ooh, my hair actually looks good like this. And you guys can see the whole finished look. And now I'll be quiet, finally. And yes, guys, please check out my channel, Unicorn Girl. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.